Welcome to FinFT portal. In this video, I am going to share my view on MCX Gold, Spot Gold, MCX Silver and a Spot Silver for the next 3 days 22, 23 and 24th September 2021. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only. I am not motivating any traders to trade. Please trade with your own and comfortable ideas. All the best. First, let us see the Spot Gold. 1740 is the best support level. After the good correction, it went up to 1782. It is a great resistance level. So I'm expecting in this week it will be sustaining over this level only. I will draw it. I'm expecting this level is going to be for next 2 days. So I think this is the best level for going short. So main stop loss around 1796 means 1800 will be confirmed with the bullish again. Till that the market in the bearish condition. Now the intraday support is around this level 1770. Breaking this level will go to 1760 is possible. So the main support is around 1740. So support level 1 is 1760. 1743 is the crucial support level, and best buying for long term is around 1700 to 1715. Okay, next let us see the resistance level. Already I told 1800 is the resistance level. Next small resistance is around 1810 and 1832 is the best resistance level. So 1800, 1018 and 1832 the spot gold levels for this week or explained. Okay, next let us see MCX gold. 46,850 is the good resistance level, and the next resistance level is around 47,350 only. So if it will cross above, and it's better to go short around 47,300, it is the best level for selling. So the first resistance level is 46,850 and the next level is 47,350. 47,300 around you can go for short, and the main resistance level is around 47,620. So if the gold MCX gold crosses above 47,550, you can go for selling. And let's come to the support levels. So the first immediate support level is 46,400. 46,389 stands with a good support level, and the next one is 46,160. It seems a good buying level for long term. So the long term position holder should be considered the 45,550 is the good support level. So with the stop loss of 45,400, you can go for long for short term. Can you understand? So yearly crucial support levels here. The MCX gold is surviving in the yearly support level. So it is the best chance for risky long term position holders. So if it will be going below 45,400, 45,000 means it confirms the next level for crashing. That's all. So here the immediate support levels are 46,389, 45,550. It is the best support level for going long. Okay, so if it will be cut, so 45,300, 45,400 is the notification for weakening gold. So 44,200 is the next support level. So trader, please trade cautiously. Intraday traders, put 300 points as stop loss. Let us see spot silver. The immediate resistance is 22.892. It seems it's a good resistance, and above this one we can see a bullish, again small bullish for intraday traders, and the second level resistance is around 23.373, and the main resistance is around 23.929. So above 24.33 we can confirm the bullish trend for this year. So however, it seems the yearly downtrend, it is in the yearly support. So traders can use this level for buying. Whenever it will come to low, you can go for buying. Okay, so I can say best buying levels are 21.782, and here above the resistance 24.333 is the best buying level. So these are the selling levels 23.929 and 22.892. These are the selling levels for spot gold. Next, let us see MCX silver. So currently it is somewhat sustaining in the resistance level 68.41 is the resistance level, and it is somewhat crossed to 61,120, and it is sustaining over here. Okay, so I put this resistance over here to 61,150 like that. So breaking above will lead some 500 extra points, I think so. It's my assumption, that's all. So however, I'm expecting from here we can see a downtrend. So I take the circle. The main support is around 59,000. So breaking below, we can analyze. So breaking below, it's possible to come around 57,000. 57,683, 58,282. See, below 59,000, the target one is 58,600, and the level 2 support level is 57,600. Okay, leave it. So the current main support level is 59,150. So if it will come to 59,300, 400 levels, people can start buying in case of morning time. Just look up the volume and look up the data. If it will be favorable to buy, and you can buy. Otherwise, if the market is cutting new lows, please don't touch it. So after 10 o'clock midnight you can buy, or else morning if it will touch the support line without any volume, you can buy it. So taking the position on silver is to be very cautious, because it will give a rash moment. As a trader you can know very well. So I can say the main support is around 59,150. So people can start buying around 59,300 400 levels for long term also. Okay, for long term or short term, if you want to get minimum profit, you can hold with a good margin and gain a profit. Okay, above this one, above 6150, I'm expecting 500 plus points, and the crucial resistance is around this level 62,800. So we can say 62,500 to 62,800 is the main selling levels for this week. So if you'll get a chance for intraday without any volume or sideways movement, you can catch these levels for trading. But again and again I'm telling, if it is cutting the new highs, please don't touch it for going short. So take the positions and please consider the volumes and timings. So these are the level 64,150, 62,800 and 61,800. Those are the main resistance levels. Okay traders, please trade cautiously. I wish you can get prosperous life. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.